Señoras y señores, recibamos a esta gran estrella. Ella es reconocida aquí y en el mundo entero por una de las mejores vidas. Recibamos a Chika con su Tormenta. Y arriba, Guadalajara. Así llega el cuadrilátero, esta mujer emprendedora, esta belleza de los cuadriláteros, esta ruda de corazón, ella es Chika Tormenta. ¿Y dónde están, perros? Señoras y señores, directamente de Triple A de México, reconocida como la güera loca, la perra mayor, ella es Taya. ¿Dónde están, perros? Así llega la escultural, esta mujer, esta belleza, esta gladiadora, reconocida a nivel mundial, su sello auténtico, quien comandara los perros del mar, la perra mayor, la güera loca. Así llega Martinez Entertainment, indiscutiblemente y simplemente, ella es Taya.
Pero lo siento, soy más duro que el cemento. En la calle recibí el mejor entrenamiento. ¿Dónde están, perros? Quiero verlos sacando. Quiero más perros. Quiero verlos gritando. Quiero más perros. Ya no somos latando, que el cartel trae el mando y venimos acabando.
Respetable público, lucharán a una espectacular y sensual caída. En la esquina, rudísima, directamente desde Guadalajara, México, hoy por hoy, ella es Chika Tormenta. En la esquina contraria, directamente de Triple A de México, la güera loca, ella es Taya. Y besitos para todos. ¿Dónde están, perros? El referee de este encuentro, el internacional.
As the referee checks down Taya,
El Oso Hernández.
which would be a dream job of mine, folks.
Que la revise.
Former fitness model
A ver si no lo dejan fuera de la casa.
in her native country of Canada.
Oh my God.
I don't think the referee looked at her there. I think I should get in there and give him a hand.
Ya lo pusieron nervioso.
Taya, you don't know what she could have on her. Could be weapons of mass destruction.
Es foto.
Definitely using some sex appeal to perhaps persuade the referee. Chick Tormenta saying she wants to be part of that. That's not fair.
Ahora sí, vámonos con las acciones.
And the match is about to get underway. And the crowd seems to be on Tormenta's side. A few cheers for for Taya. And Taya tells you where you can kiss her. Tormenta having none of that. And the ladies lock up here. Taya checking herself. I am now joined by the dastardly Lou Gotti Starrett.
Make sure you get that right. It's the American Gangster. Lou Gotti Starrett here for some amazing action here at Martinez Entertainment out here. And what's the name of this location again? Where are we at again? Kennedale or something like that?
In Kennedale.
Kennedale in Texas. This place is actually a hotbed for professional wrestling. Did you know that?
Indeed, there's a lot of great local professional wrestling in the area.
These are two of the top women in the professional wrestling industry here locally for our enjoyment.
I was just mentioning how Taya has a background in competitive fitness bodybuilding, as well as being formerly in AAA and currently in Lucha Underground. She's wrestled all over the world, Lou.
Yes. I've been watching. I've been scouting her. I kind of help out with some of the local promotions and scouting talent, and she's a name that's come up on the list quite frequently.
Very popular. Shake Tormenta, no slouch herself. Definitely got a great reaction when she came out, Lou. She's ready to bring the fight to Taya.
Well, these fans here in Texas, they know great wrestling and great wrestlers, and whenever they have an opportunity.
And a head kick to the face. Not to interrupt you there, Lou. It's hard-hitting action. To the ropes, and a drop kick to the pro chick, Tormenta. And the crowd responds approvingly.
And she can drop kick me any day, man.
She's nice to look at. I was very envious of the referee checking her for weapons. I think he missed a few spots, so when he's done, I'm going to get in there and give him a hand next time.
I think he needs to be relieved of his duties. I think I should be the referee for this match. What do you say?
We don't agree on a lot there, Lou, but I mean, I would not think you were wrong on that, sir. And a penitent there, only a 2 count.
Yeah, I still got a little more energy. I was not successful in my match. However, I was not pinned. So I'm still a little on the fresh side. I had me a Gatorade and a banana, to replenish my potassium levels, and I think I'm ready to go.
Very important. Protein shake before every announce call on my end.
And there's nothing wrong with cheating a little bit. You need a little generic energy. You have a big bag of Skittles. Don't tell my nutritionist that, but
Quick sugar fix.
Yes.
Like it.
Boot to the gut. Things are getting very aggressive on the outside here.
Indeed they are, Lou. They don't care. Men, women, these ladies are as tough as they come. Of course, Taya taking on men at Lucha Underground and having her way with them.
Yes.
She can have her way with me anytime.
Anytime. Hey, you're going to have to claim that right there, buddy.
All right, the referee asking Taya if she wants to quit here. Chick Tormenta really locking that in there. All right, puts her in the turnbuckle here. Got her by the wrist.
Oh, look at this chick.
That's pretty painful.
You see what I did there? Look at this chick.
I see what you did there.
Oh.
It's a play on words. I like it. And Taya seeming to have some trouble. She may need to be checked out by the referee here before she can continue. But he's going to let it continue. And a boot to the face there.
I'm pretty sure that's illegal.
It is. That's why the referee says he's about to start counting.
Hey, every time I do that maneuver, I'm told I should stop and it's illegal. So I think everyone should follow the same rules.
To be fair, it doesn't look as good as when you do it.
Okay, well, I appreciate that, but...
Oh, and pushes her off with a kick to the chin. And misses, nobody home, and eating those forearms. The crowd getting excited. And went to the well one time too many. Oh!
Payback is a chick.
A kick to below the belt there. I don't know if that's still as illegal. And the fans calling for Otro, which would mean another. know what that was there, but it looked like a lot of fun. And into the second rope, and she's choking her again with that boot. The referee needs to get in there. Come on, ref. All right, Taya backs off.
She seems to be warning him. He's going to let her get away. I know I would. I say do whatever you want.
Well, it looks like that she could get away from murder.
Yes, I totally agree.
And she's got her back down on the mat. Looks like she has her choke, but the referee's going to make it a pin. All right, Tormenta needs to pull out some offense here fast. She's in trouble.
I'm trying to figure out who is the crowd favorite. Is it Taya?
It's going to be Tormenta, and turns her for a sharpshooter there. As made famous by the legendary Bret the Hitman Hart. He's got it locked in.
Or it could really be it looks like a Scorpion Deathlock.
It could be the Scorpion Deathlock.
Sting, so I'm not sure which one it is. But
Bret Hart actually credits Sting with being the inventor of it, as he saw him
really?
use. Of course, the Indian Deathlock before it was called the sharpshooter or the Scorpion Deathlock. And those heels to the chest. And sits down on her. And the crowd hoping Tormenta is going to regain her vertical stature here very soon. And she does with the help of Taya pulling her up. Taya falls on her and has her in a headlock here. A choke. Cranking that in there, Lou.
she's showing sure she had the wherewithal and ring awareness to get her foot in. Oh, and she pulls away.
Veteran presence there, of course. Something you would know about, Lou. You've been in this quite a while.
Yeah, I'm quite vigorous and aware of where I am in the ring at all times.
Well, you have to be. That's sometimes the difference between a win and a loss, is it not?
Yes, it's most of the time it's the difference between a win and a loss and just knowing how to play the game and getting what you want. I don't follow rules. I don't plan on following rules, and it's got me a lot of opportunities by just doing what I want to do and making sure I get the job done.
Well, the great Jesse Ventura used to always say, win if you can, lose if you must, but always cheat. Something you definitely subscribe to, Lou.
Cheat. I wouldn't say it's necessarily cheating. It's more so.
Wow. Face each other down. Oh! And both of them are down. I don't know who got the worst into that, Lou.
I think it was equally painful. Oh.
And Taya sits up very quickly there. Tormenta taking this moment to get her breath back here.
These women are putting on a clinic here. I'm flabbergasted. I'm lost for words because I'm so in tune to the match. It's very good, and go for leaving it all on the line.
Definitely these competitors bring out the best in each other. Oh, perhaps looking for a pedigree. Oh, no, has her up. Oh, and a flapjack puts her right back down. Referee's at it too, and Taya has just enough to kick out there.
That looks so much like a angel wings made famous by Christopher Daniels. That maneuver is very dangerous. It's put out some of the best, such as AJ Styles, CM Punk,
Samoa Joe.
And Samoa Joe, yes.
And grabs her by the leg here, crosses the legs. What's she looking here for? This looks like it's going to be painful.
I think she's going for the first time.
Oh, yes, would be proud.
Head bouncing off the mat.
I can hear that sickening thud from all the way over here. And looks for the cover.
I think this is it.
Laid across her. She got too cocky there, Lou. Something you know all about. Sometimes worrying more about how you're looking than picking up that W.
I want the world to know I'm a winner, and I want the person getting pinned to remember this moment and see a picture of me grinning as I have a cocky stance and a pin over this individual as so many.
If you're going to win, you're going to win with style,
yes.
right?
Gotta look good doing
nobody
it.
home. Goes behind her. And into a German suplex. Brock Lesnar would be proud. Only a 2 count there. Maybe not Suplex City as much as Suplex Town. She took a quick exit. The crowd has seemingly turned on Tormenta. They seem to be cheering on Taya a bit harder. Looks for a clothesline. What's this? Into a flatliner. Wow. It was invented by the late, great Chris Kanyon there. Only a 2 count.
I personally think the fans are just impressed with her looks and her celebrity. I'm not buying it.
Little Anna Kournikova, something like that, where it's all looks and not as good.
Yeah, she's totally taking
and
advantage.
turned around. Can't turn your back on somebody with the talent of Tormenta. Drop kick, she's down. What's she looking for here?
Oh, is this a Styles
Boston
clash?
grab?
Styles
Oh no,
clash.
she's gonna turn it into a Styles clash.
It's definitely over.
There's no coming back from that.
Look.
And the referee apparently was not in Taya's pocket the whole time. A quick count, but you might have been able to count to 10 there, and she still may not be able to answer it. You know, Lou, you sit here. I'm gonna go check on Taya. She might need a hand.
La más querida, Chika Tormenta, duro, al público lo que pida.
And Tormenta looking to put the ref down, and he escapes. As Tormenta celebrates in the ring.
She just made that man's lifetime.
I was gonna say, not made his night, made his life. This is the happiest day of this man's life.
Taya looks very unhappy with the result, although she's catering to these men. You know what? Unlike most of you guys, I have access to the back room. I'm gonna go make sure she's okay.
All right, Lou, well, best of luck to that. I hope to hear the story later.
Así se despide la nueva letra. Con su sensual baile. ¡Qué bárbaro!
That was Lou Gotti Starrett, the American gangster, joining us ringside.
La buena loca Taya, Chika Tormenta para la foto del recuerdo.
And as quickly as he is here, he was gone.